Salut mes amis! Today we are going to try the baked blueberry oatmeal muffin. To start, we are going to need 1 cup of almond milk. You can use any kind of milk. 1 cup of plain Greek yogurt, 3 cups of oats, 3/4 cup of blueberry, 2 eggs, half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 cup of coconut flakes, 1/4 cup of sliced almond, 1 lime, 1 orange. I might choose between the lime and the orange, 1/4 cup of sugar, a large mixing bowl, muffin pan. You can put coconut oil or butter. In this case, I just use butter in my pan. Okay, let's get started. In a large bowl, we are going to mix all the dry ingredients. We add the 3 cups of oats, salt, and baking powder. Then we gently mix them together. Next, mix in milk, Greek yogurt, eggs, lemon zest, lemon juice, and stir everything until well incorporated. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, add in the blueberries, the sliced almonds, and the coconut flakes. Stir everything until just combined. Look at this. After everything is well combined, we are going to divide the oat mixture between all 12 muffin cups. So let's fill in all the 12 cups evenly. Let's get everything from the mixing bowl. We don't want to miss any of this mixture. Put in the oven for 25 to 30 minutes or until the muffins are set through and lightly golden brown on the top like this. Look at all this muffin. Yum yum. Cool completely before removing muffins from the pan and enjoy. Look at this. I'm going to try. This is delicious. So to reheat the muffins, you can slice them in half and place them in the toaster oven or pop them in the microwave for 20 to 40 seconds. It's an easy breakfast or snack, quick to make. Next time we are going to try a different kind of muffin. Thank you for watching. Au revoir.